In this video, I'm going to show you on how to set photo as wallpaper on your iPhone. If you want to give your iPhone a fresh look by changing your wallpaper, this tutorial will guide you through the process. First, open the Photos app on your device and locate the photos you'd like to use as your wallpaper. For this example, let's choose a specific photo. Once you've selected the photo, tap the Share button located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Scroll down the options until you find Use as Wallpaper and tap it. Now you can pinch the image to adjust and resize it to your liking. You can also swipe left to explore different effects and filters for the photo. Once you're satisfied with how your wallpaper looks, tap Add at the top right corner. You have the option to set it as a wallpaper pair for both home screen and lock screens, or to customize the home screen by adjusting whether you want it blurred or not. After making your choice, tap Done at the top to save the changes. And that's it. Your photo is now set as your wallpaper, giving your iPhone a new look. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.